Rawson Falls is in the Boorganna Nature Reserve, about 35 kilometres west of Laurieton, on the New South Wales mid-north coast. The walk into the falls is about 2.7 kilometres long, with a vertical drop somewhere around 600 feet. That's easy in, hard out. We drove through some really beautiful country before entering the good road that leads you into the small car park. There are picnic tables here, and shelter, toilets, and a water tank. The walk starts from behind the shelter and goes along the track made by bulldozers towing out timber from here in the 1950s. And there's still a fair bit of evidence of that forestry. Thankfully, there are still many beautiful large trees. And of course, there are lots of vines twisting around all the other trees. But of course, in this sort of forest, nature takes back. Now this is a really good track, and it starts to descend. And there were some wildlife that didn't want to move. This time a lovely 2-metre long python, so we had to step over him. Next we came along to this half-metre long skink, known by the unflattering name of land mullet. And after about 1.7 kilometres, we arrived at the lookout. The trees have grown a bit, and really now the waterfall isn't really clearly visible. So we end up taking the track down to the base of the falls. Now this part of the track gets much steeper. Down at the creek, the track climbs over rocks and boulders, and finally we can get a beautiful view of this lovely 40-metre waterfall. Now for that climb back out.